Amid the noise of the modern city, I chose to return to the old garden of my past.
Here, I will build a home of bamboo, built with all my heart.
The bamboo must be and solid for the house to stand strong.
The bamboo must be mature and solid for the house to stand strong. Every swing of the blade marks a new beginning.
The sound of falling bamboo stirs an entire corner of the forest. I patiently refine every single branch.
Each bamboo pole is gathered, ready for transformation.
Washed clean, the bamboo reveals its glossy skin.
Soaking bamboo is an ancestral secret to prevent termites.
Golden sunlight makes bamboo endure through the years.
The kitchen keeps the fire of the home alive. Precision is the soul of every joint. Each stroke is steady, rhythmic, like breathing. The first pillar rises, marking a new beginning. It must stand true, so the house will not lean before wind and storm. Layer by layer, trust is packed into stone and earth. Every connection begins with a small opening. The shape of the house slowly emerges among the shades of green. The bamboo peg holds the entire structure in balance.
Tight and secure, keeping the wind outside.
Rattan may be soft, but its strength binds the spirit of the countryside. Rafters interlace, forming a resilient skeleton. Roofing is the most delicate moment. Splitting bamboo demands patience and skill.
The strips must be smooth, so they will not wound the hands.
Weaving bamboo walls is a craft of utmost patience. Traditional patterns slowly appear, carrying the memory of generations. A window opens the house to dreams and light. The door closes the noise and opens peace. The cool bamboo floor welcomes every step. The gentle fragrance fills the space. Fire softens bamboo, allowing it to bend to human will. A humble seat for moments of rest.
Here lies the heart of the home.
The kitchen keeps the fire of the home alive. A place to keep knowledge and memories. favorite books finally find their home. Even the jars carry the breath of bamboo.
Green life will slowly cover the bamboo walls. A bamboo lantern for a softer glow.
The scent of smoke recalls childhood memories. Every function of bamboo is fully embraced, keeping the home clean and fragrant. Softness balances the strength of bamboo. Bamboo can become a dragon through artistry. A symbol of fortune and protection. Clack, the voice of the countryside. A rustic ornament carrying Vietnamese soul. Recording the brightest days of youth, a humble bridge connecting joyful shores, steady and familiar beneath my feet, moving in rhythm with wind and clouds. Love means daily care. Bitter at first, sweet in the heart. Bamboo, starlight, and a perfect harmony. Happiness is built by one's own hands. Mai Hoa and the Garden House, a dream realized. Green bamboo, a strong home and a free soul.